So my oldest sister has a blood disorder called sickle cell anemia, and a lot of the time she gets sick and has a crisis to where her body basically shuts down on her. So today I'm helping her clean up her room. It always makes me feel really good to help my sister out, especially when she's sick, because she's always so happy and so giving and such a sweet woman, to the point where I can't really help but help her when she needs it most. As you can see, Harvey is consistently trying to help as well. It's actually the cutest thing ever. He thinks he's helping out so much, and he's just pretty much undoing everything that I've already done. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm pretty much getting down to the end of it. I am working on trying to make longer cleanup videos, but I clean up pretty fast in general in the first place. So most of my videos are like 1 to 2 minutes long, because it really only takes me about 10-15 minutes to clean up a room. I do really enjoy cleaning up though, so it will be a lot more content just like this. Hopefully better lighting and everything, but mind you, it is 10 o'clock at night right now.